I think it's been like 2 years since I bought my last Louis Vuitton bag. It's been a hot minute. It's been a while since I've been interested in a Louis Vuitton bag. For some reason, the more recent collections didn't really speak to me, or I didn't like the colors in the particular bag styles they chose. So I haven't really been into it, but the new Summer by the Pool 2023 collection broke me. So today we have a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. I am not going to keep you guys waiting. We are going to open it right away. But before I start, I just wanted to say that I did film some bits and pieces when I was at the boutique, in which I tried on some of the other bags from this collection. So if you're interested in seeing that, stick around, because I'm going to show you all the footage that I managed to get. Okay, so here we have the box. This is going to be a true unboxing. I haven't seen this bag since I left the store, and I am dying to open it and to show it to my husband. So let's go. It's a knot. I've forgotten how to do this. Here we go. Finally, we're getting somewhere. Are you guys ready? You're so not ready for the cuteness you're about to see. Okay. It's so cute. And for the reveal, it is the Louis Vuitton Speedy. Come on. Speedy in size 20 bandolier, probably pronouncing it wrong, in this beautiful baby pink empreinte, probably also pronouncing it wrong, leather with the ombre effect visible on the Louis Vuitton motifs, which are embossed on the bag. This is the definition of arm candy, because she just looks like a piece of candy. Okay, let's get serious. Let's do a quick overview of the bag. And by the way, I am so happy that this is the Speedy 20 and not Speedy Nano, because this is just the absolute perfect size bag for me. It is very small, very cute, but it's also functional, because this bag fits so much. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So this is the bag, front and back. It is basically the same. I think it's the same. And here is the bottom of the bag, sides of the bag. One of the sides has, this side has Louis Vuitton embossed over here. I don't know if camera will be able to pick it up. We have yellow gold hardware, and we're also supposed to have a padlock. Let me just put it down for a second. Let's open the padlock so that we can complete the Speedy. Over here, LV, Louis Vuitton Paris on the other side, and also the keys, of course. And then we also have a strap, which is, it has these lobster claws, and it is detachable and also adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings in which you can adjust it. It has these chain elements as well. But you know, I don't really care for the strap, because I feel like this is going to be mainly a top handle bag for me. I just feel like that's the way it looks the best. I don't think that I would be carrying this bag as a crossbody bag, because that would risk color transfer, and I really don't want to ruin it. So, I mean, with certain dresses, it could still work out, like with white dresses, can easily carry it crossbody, but I just think that it looks the best when it's carried as a top handle bag. When we look at the inside of the bag, it is just one compartment, which is perfect for small bags like this. It is lined with microfiber. It feels very luxurious, but I mean, it would be nicer if it was suede. And actually, let me see where my bag was made. It was made in France. I don't know why, but it feels like such a score when you buy something from Louis Vuitton and it's actually made in France, because they also make their items in Spain, Italy, and in the US as well, I believe. And the quality is always the same, at least it has been for me. It's always good quality, but because it's a French brand, it just feels cooler when it's also made in France. I'm also happy to say that I don't see any quality issues. I examined the bag at the boutique. I couldn't see anything. The stitching seems perfect. It also seems perfectly symmetrical. I mean, I couldn't find any like flaws of the leather, and considering that this was the only piece that they had received, my boutique that I went to, I feel like I scored. I won the lottery. Okay, and now technical things aside, what's funny is that Louis Vuitton did a very similar collection. I think it was 2 years ago for the Summer by the Pool 2021 collection. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And they did a nearly identical theme. They had the same, I think the same color palette. They definitely had this pink with the ombre motifs, and I loved it, but I didn't really like the bag styles that they chose to make in this leather with the ombre motifs, right? So they had the marshmallow bag, which was, I think, a new bag at the time. It didn't speak to me at all. And then they also had this cylinder bag. I think it was called Papillon or something like that, which also really didn't do anything for me. The only item that I loved from that collection in this very similar pink color was the mini pochette accessoire. But that one sold out on me. I wasn't able to get my hands on it, and I'm kind of glad, because I guess it just wasn't meant to be. I just find it crazy how some people are upset with Louis Vuitton that they are kind of repeating themselves, but for me, it actually worked in my benefit, because I was able to get this beautiful colorway in a bag style that I actually love. So I guess sometimes repeating yourself isn't such a bad thing. And another thing is that they are not doing the exact same bags from 2021. Like, you can't buy the marshmallow bag anymore. They are not creating it. The only thing that they've done is they've introduced new styles in this beautiful colorway. So I don't see anything wrong with that. There was actually another bag that I really loved, and you guys are not going to believe it. Especially if you've been a subscriber of mine, you're not going to believe what I'm about to say. For the first time in my life, I fell in love with the Neverfull bag. And I am not saying it in a mean way. Don't get me wrong. I get the functionality of the Neverfull bag. It's just that it's never been me. I've never been attracted to that bag. I've always been more of a on-the-go tote type of girl. So the fact that I liked it really surprised me. That blue, I'm talking about the Neverfull in the blue version, because it is stunning. The navy blue, like light navy blue with those white and turquoise blue letters, absolute perfection. And I could just immediately see myself in denim shorts with a white linen shirt, white sandals, that bag on my shoulder, running around the city doing errands. I mean, so simple yet so beautiful. Like, that bag would just make the outfit immediately and take it to the next level. So yeah, I really surprised myself, and what I loved about it was that also the pouch inside the bag had the same print. So I could also immediately see myself using that pouch in my other summer tote bags. I had to work really hard to talk myself out of buying that bag because unfortunately a girl has to make choices, and the Speedy already had my heart. I am not regretting it at all. I know that this was the one, but that Neverfull, if I wasn't saving for my dream bags, I would have gotten it 100%. So if you can, and if you like that style of bag or in general love Neverfulls, a run. It is so beautiful. The Neverfull was also available in this beige and orange color combination, but that color combination didn't do anything for me. The blue completely stole the show. And as a matter of fact, this Speedy 20 bandolier was also available in blue. They had not received it yet, but for me, with that blue, the more the better. The more material of that blue I have, the better it looks. At least that's how I felt. But if you like small bags and if you like that blue, it was also available in the Felici bag. Felici bag pouch. It's the one that comes with all the extra card holders and pouches inside. It's a small bag and it's just a beautiful pop of blue. For me, again, the Neverfull was the favorite, but that blue in general is stunning. So if you like small bags, that's another great alternative. If the Speedy 20 is too big for you. But with this pink, I saw the on-the-go tote, which was also very pretty, but for me that was way too much pink. So if you love pink, it's going to be the tote for you because it's really beautiful and it's very well made. I loved it, but I love just a touch of pink, which is why this Speedy was absolutely perfect for me. And then they also had the easy pouch in this pink as well, in case this is too big for you. The easy pouch also looked really cute, but for me, again, that's too small. So between the easy pouch and the on-the-go tote, this is perfect for me, but they definitely made sure that every color has options in each size. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see the two new bags that they are releasing with this collection. The summer bundle bag, which is a completely new bag, also available in this pink, and the new version of the bum bag, which I was actually very curious about because I was kind of skeptical about it, but then I saw it on someone on Instagram or YouTube, somewhere on social media, and it actually looked kind of cute. Not cute enough for me to change my mind from the Speedy 20, but it definitely didn't look as bad as I thought it would. So yeah, overall, I think it's a beautiful collection. If you really like something from this collection, then definitely go for it and don't think twice, because I don't think that Louis Vuitton is going to release this print for the third time. So be very aware of that. And I guess that kind of sums up today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do love talking about fashion. So let's stay in touch and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe.